All right, let's look at this exponential equation. Okay, so we have 4 exponent x plus 8 exponent x equals 36. Okay, so we know 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2. Okay, we have x here, so to multiply. We want to get equal basis, so 2 to the power 3. Okay, equals to 36. All right, so in case we're given a exponent n t the same as a exponent t or exponent n, so we can say 2 raised to x all squared, 2 raised to x all cube minus 36 equal to 0. All right, so we have x raised to x in common here, so let's take it out. Let 2 raised to x be y. So let's substitute y squared plus y cube minus 36. So let's arrange it. We have y cube plus y squared minus 36 equal to 0. All right, so let's look at the first factor here. I want to perform the division, but we need to know the first factor by doing the trial and error. So let's get values of y, which will make the expression go to 0 here. So let's start with when y is 2. When I plug in 2 here, this side will be 8. 8 plus 4 minus 36 is not far near there. It's not up to that. So let's go to 3. 3 to the power 3 is 27. 3 squared is 9. So we have 36. So 36 minus 36 is 0. Good. So it means when y is equal to 3, it's a factor. The first factor. So if for factor theorem, if f of a equal to 0, it means x minus a is a factor. So if f of 3 is making this one go to 0, it means y, we are using y, so it means y minus 3 is a factor of this. Okay, so knowing the first factor will help us get the other factors. Okay, since the power is 3, it means you can get the other factors. So let's divide this one by that. So let's do so. So we have y minus 3. So we have y cube. So let's arrange this one plus y squared. So y cube squared. So let's introduce 0y, then minus 36. Okay, so let's go. Now y into this will be y squared. Y squared times y is y cube. Y squared times minus 3 is minus 3y squared. Now let's subtract. Y cube minus y cube, go to 0. Y squared minus minus, so plus. So this side will be 4 y squared. So let's add our 0y, then minus 36. Now y into 4y squared will be plus 4y. 4y times this 4y squared times minus y so this minus that go to 0 so minus minus you have 12y minus 36 so y into this is 12 plus 12 to have 12y minus 36 equal to 0 so we have our first factor times what is here y squared plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. Okay, so let's test this whether we get real values here. So let's use the discriminant to test before. So let's test and see. C minus 4 AC. So my A here is 1. My B is 4. My C is 12. Okay. So we have 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 12. So 16 minus so 48. Okay, so this side 48. So we have minus 32 less than 0. So this one will be complex root. So with the complex, it means this one will be possible. And therefore, we will proceed with the y minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 3. Okay. Now go ahead, then replace y here and solve for x. Okay, so we have 2 raised to x equals 3. So since we can't express this as a base and a power, okay, we need to take log on both sides. So log. So this one is a power. We have x log 2 log 3. So my x is log 3 over log 2. So in case we're given log a over log b the same as log a b. So this one will be log 3 base 2. So this is the final answer. Alright. So thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this. Alright.